Discovered a PR2 file from a historical business archive and want to recover the slides? This is an Aldus Persuasion 2.0 presentation from the late 1980s and early 1990s. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Aldus Persuasion presentation files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical PR2 data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. A PR2 file is a presentation created with Aldus Persuasion 2.0, an early competitor to Microsoft PowerPoint. Users with these files are typically trying to access or convert legacy business or academic presentations from the early 1990s. The primary challenge is finding modern software capable of opening this obsolete format. The PR2 format is a proprietary binary file designed to store slides, text, graphics, and master page layouts for a presentation. Its structure was optimized for the computing resources of its era, encapsulating all presentation assets into a single, self-contained file for portability between Macintosh and Windows systems. Adobe Persuasion from Adobe Systems Incorporated is the core program designed for the PR2 structure. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows can show limited details, but full control needs presentation applications. We are testing the limits of your installed programs. Right-click the PR2 file and select Open With. Test Adobe Persuasion first. If it fails, select another application. Compatibility is not always straightforward. If your PR2 file is not opening yet, that is normal. The nature of the PR2 format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, using Adobe Persuasion. If you have Adobe Persuasion 3 or 4, install the application and use File, then Open to load the PR2 file. Adobe Persuasion supersedes Aldus Persuasion after Adobe's acquisition and maintains compatibility with older Aldus files. Save in a current format or export to PowerPoint via PICT or other intermediate formats. Next, running on a vintage system. Set up a virtual machine with Windows 3.1 or classic Mac OS using emulators like Sheepshaver or DOSBox X. Install Aldus Persuasion 2.0 in the virtual environment and open the PR2 file natively. Export slides as images or print to PDF for migration to modern presentation tools and long-term archival. Finally, recovering content manually. Open the PR2 file in a text editor or hex viewer to recover any embedded plain text content from outline and slide titles. For complete slide recovery, contact a digital preservation service that specializes in vintage file formats and can professionally extract content from obsolete presentation files for archival purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.